CompTIA A plus 1001 Practice Exam 2026.
Question 1. A technician is troubleshooting what appears to be a random access memory issue. Which symptom would indicate this? Option A. Power on self-test code beeps. Option B. Distended capacitors. Option C. Continuous reboots. Option D. Wrong basic input-output system time.
The correct answer is option C. Continuous reboots. Continuous reboots are a classic symptom of unstable or failing random access memory.
Question 2. A user wants to print on both sides of the paper. Which setting should the technician advise? Option A. Collate. Option B. Orientation. Option C. Duplex. Option D. Transparency.
The correct answer is option C. Duplex. Duplex printing is the standard terminology for printing on both sides of a sheet of paper.
Question 3. A user is unable to access websites and has reported connectivity issues. A technician removes malware and pings the router successfully. Which next steps should the technician perform? Option A. Document findings, actions, and outcomes. Option B. Reboot the device to verify the fix. Option C. Reconnect the device to the network. Option D. Verify settings and Internet Protocol configuration. Option E. Research problems based on symptoms. Option F. Run a virus scan.
The correct answers are options A and F. Document findings, actions, and outcomes. Run a virus scan. Best practices include documenting the resolution and running a final virus scan to ensure the system is clean.
Question 4. A user cannot browse outside sites after returning from vacation. Pinging a website by name fails but by Internet Protocol address succeeds. Which command resolves this? Option A. Internet Protocol configuration all. Option B. Internet Protocol configuration flush domain name system. Option C. Internet Protocol configuration release. Option D. Internet Protocol configuration set class identifier.
The correct answer is option B. Internet Protocol configuration flush domain name system. Flushing the domain name system cache clears out stale records, preventing resolution.
Question 5. A technician is choosing a power supply for a desktop used worldwide. Which parameter is most important? Option A. Input voltage. Option B. Efficiency rating. Option C. 12-volt rail amperage. Option D. Number of serial advanced technology attachment connectors.
The correct answer is option A. Input voltage. Different countries use different electrical standards, so the power supply must support local input voltage.
Question 6. A user receives a message stating their Internet Protocol address is in use on both a laptop and an old desktop. What should the technician do? Option A. Remove static Internet Protocol configuration from the desktop. Option B. Set laptop configuration to dynamic host configuration protocol. Option C. Replace the network card in the laptop. Option D. Bridge the local area network connection.
The correct answer is option B. Set laptop configuration to dynamic host configuration protocol. Setting the device to dynamic host configuration protocol allows the server to automatically assign a unique address.
Question 7. A customer wants a home computer for browsing and weekend gaming. Which should the technician focus on? Option A. 80mm case fans. Option B. For core processor. Option C. Redundant array of independent disks 5 array. Option D. 16GB double data rate memory. Option E. Dual monitors. Option F. Encrypted hard drive.
The correct answers are options B and D. For core processor. 16GB double data rate memory. A multi-core processor and sufficient high-speed memory are primary requirements for gaming performance.
Question 8. A business owner wants to provide security and power to laptops. What is the best solution? Option A. Docking station. Option B. Port replicator. Option C. Thunderbolt. Option D. Universal serial bus hub.
The correct answer is option A. Docking station. A docking station provides power and port expansion while securing the laptop to a specific workstation.
Question 9. Headquarters internet is faster than a mobile hotspot. Drivers and settings are verified. What could cause this? Option A. The connection is throttled. Option B. Low radio frequency identification signal. Option C. Service set identifier is not found. Option D. It is out of range.
The correct answer is option A. The connection is throttled. Mobile hotspots provided by cellular carriers often throttle speeds once a certain data usage limit is reached.
Question 10. A technician is replacing a broken laptop screen without vendor information. How should they proceed? Option A. Document and label the cable and screw locations. Option B. Replace screen with non-original equipment manufacturer part. Option C. Update firmware on the device. Option D. Wait for vendor to provide information.
The correct answer is option A. Document and label the cable and screw locations. Documenting the disassembly ensures that components are reassembled correctly and reduces the risk of damage.
Question 11. And needs to ensure her mobile device has power for day-long conferences. What should be recommended? Option A, wireless charging pad. Option B, built-in battery case. Option C, extra charging cords. Option D, airplane mode.
The correct answer is option B. Built-in battery case. A built-in battery case provides a portable power source that extends runtime without requiring a wall outlet.
Question 12. Which charging and data port has a non-directional connector? Option A, micro universal serial bus. Option B, mini universal serial bus. Option C, universal serial bus type A. Option D, universal serial bus type C.
The correct answer is option D. Universal serial bus type C. Universal serial bus type C is reversible, allowing the cable to be inserted in either orientation.
Question 13. A smartphone cannot send calls or connect to wireless fidelity, but applications work otherwise. What is the cause? Option A, airplane mode. Option B, tethering. Option C, disabled hotspot. Option D, virtual private network.
The correct answer is option A, airplane mode. Airplane mode disables all radio frequency transmissions, including cellular and wireless fidelity radios.
Question 14. Which Ethernet cable supports 600 megabits per second throughput at the lowest price? Option A, Category 3. Option B, Category 5. Option C, Category 5 Enhanced. Option D, Category 6.
The correct answer is option C, Category 5 Enhanced. Category 5 Enhanced is rated for 1 gigabit per second, which meets the requirement at a lower cost than Category 6.
Question 15. Which connector terminates a coaxial cable? Option A, Database 9. Option B, Registered Jack 45. Option C, Radio Government 59. Option D, Recommended Standard 232.
The correct answer is option C, Radio Government 59. Radio Government 59 is a standard type of coaxial cable used for broadband internet and cable television.
Question 16. An end user wants to configure a second laptop monitor. How is this done? Option A, plug monitor into universal serial bus port. Option B, use function and function key combination. Option C, adjust monitor display settings. Option D, enable display port.
The correct answer is option C, adjust monitor display settings. Adjusting display settings in the operating system is the standard way to configure multi-monitor modes.
Question 17. A laptop display is very dim and brightness controls do not help. Which component needs replacing? Option A, liquid crystal display panel. Option B, inverter. Option C, video card. Option D, digitizer.
The correct answer is option B, inverter. The inverter powers the backlight, and its failure is the most common cause of a dim liquid crystal display.
Question 18. A laptop and projector show artifacts. A different laptop shows a correct but dim image. What steps should be taken? Option A, update video drivers. Option B, increase projector contrast. Option C, replace the original laptop. Option D, change aspect ratio. Option E, replace projector bulb. Option F, modify display resolution.
The correct answers are options B and D. Increase projector contrast, change aspect ratio. Projector dimness usually indicates a failing lamp, while artifacts often stem from resolution or cable issues.
Question 19. Users are forgetting passwords. What should the administrator implement to reduce help desk tickets? Option A, implement single sign-on. Option B, enable multi-factor authentication. Option C, configure biometric authentication. Option D, remove complex password requirements.
The correct answer is option A, implement single sign-on. Single sign-on allows users to access all authorized resources with one set of credentials.
Question 20. Which cloud concept allows scalable services to be provided to the client? Option A, on demand. Option B, metered. Option C, rapid elasticity. Option D, resource pooling.
The correct answer is option C, rapid elasticity. Rapid elasticity allows a cloud service to automatically scale resources up or down based on current demand.
Question 21. Data racks were not properly grounded. Which tool verifies they are grounded? Option A, multimeter. Option B, cable tester. Option C, tone generator. Option D, voltmeter.
The correct answer is option A, multimeter. A multimeter is used to measure electrical continuity and resistance to ensure a solid ground connection.
Question 22. A clicking noise from a desktop increases when video editing software loads. What should the technician do first? Option A, replace the hard drive. Option B, replace the video card. Option C, do a system restore. Option D, perform a full data backup. Option E, scan the system for viruses.
The correct answer is option D, perform a full data backup. A clicking noise from a hard drive is a sign of mechanical failure, so data must be backed up immediately.
Question 23. Joe wants to copy contacts and appointments from a corporate account to a new device. What is the best way? Option A, log into the same email provider. Option B, create a Bluetooth connection. Option C, back up the old device to a personal computer. Option D, use near-field communication.
The correct answer is option A, log into the same email provider. Synchronizing with the corporate email provider automatically restores contacts and calendar events across devices.
Question 24. Printing on heavy cardstock smears. What is the next troubleshooting step? Option A, increase the fusor temperature. Option B, change the paper feed rate. Option C, clean the transfer roller. Option D, replace the toner cartridge.
The correct answer is option A, increase the fusor temperature. Cardstock requires a higher fusor temperature to properly bond the toner to the thicker material.
Question 25. An end user has signed up for a web-based calendar application. What has been purchased? Option A, data as a service. Option B, software as a service. Option C, platform as a service. Option D, infrastructure as a service.
The correct answer is option B, software as a service. Software as a service provides fully functional applications over the internet to end users.
Question 26. A technician is setting up a wireless thermostat. Which addresses security concerns? Option A, use latest encryption and strong password. Option B, enable two-factor authentication. Option C, separate in a demilitarized zone. Option D, disable wireless access. Option E, upgrade router. Option F, upgrade to WPA.
The correct answers are options A and B. Use latest encryption and strong password. Enable two-factor authentication. Strong encryption and multi-factor authentication are the security baseline for Internet of Things devices.
Question 27. A technician must take a laptop off-site for repair, but it contains proprietary information. What should they do? Option A, check corporate policies. Option B, get authorization. Option C, delete proprietary data. Option D, remove the hard drive.
The correct answer is option A, check corporate policies. Always consult company policy first to ensure regulatory compliance regarding data handling.
Question 28. A technician sets up a network but cannot access the internet. Ping to gateway works. What should be checked? Option A, provide a domain name system server. Option B, verify Windows firewall. Option C, configure wireless to hide service set identifier. Option D, enable file and printer sharing.
The correct answer is option A, provide a domain name system server. If the gateway is reachable but names do not resolve, the domain name system server is likely missing.
Question 29. A user connects a printer to the guest network but cannot print. What resolves this? Option A, set up computer as print server. Option B, configure printer to use internet printing protocol. Option C, ensure computer uses dynamic host configuration protocol. Option D, connect printer to company network.
The correct answer is option D, connect printer to company network. Network devices must be on the same trusted network segment to communicate with workstations.
Question 30. A customer wants to upgrade internal storage for backups. Which best meets the needs? Option A, 3 TB hard disk drive. Option B, 50 GB network attached storage. Option C, 500 TB storage area network. Option D, 512 GB solid state drive.
The correct answer is option A, 3 TB hard disk drive. A large capacity hard disk drive provides the most cost-effective storage for large volumes of static files.
Question 31. Storing files in the cloud while removing them locally is known as Option A, on demand. Option B, resource pool. Option C, synchronization application. Option D, shared resources.
The correct answer is option C, synchronization application. Synchronization applications manage file availability to optimize local storage usage.
Question 32. Wired computers have network connectivity but wireless ones do not. What should the technician check? Option A, check closest access point. Option B, check each wireless adapter. Option C, check the network switch. Option D, check the dynamic host configuration protocol server.
The correct answer is option D, Check the dynamic host configuration protocol server. If multiple devices have issues, the central address assignment server is the most likely failure point.
Question 33. Which feature allows a server to host multiple virtual machines? Option A, hypervisor. Option B, disk management. Option C, terminal services. Option D, device manager.
The correct answer is option A, hypervisor. A hypervisor allows multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical host.
Question 34. Which device connects network devices without broadcasting to every port? Option A, unmanaged switch. Option B, hub. Option C, firewall. Option D, cable modem.
The correct answer is option A, unmanaged switch. A switch uses a media access control table to forward traffic only to the specific port of the destination.
Question 35. A technician is setting up a device for a user who struggles to read at night. Which adjustment is most appropriate? Option A, use the magnifier. Option B, increase resolution. Option C, use haptic feedback. Option D, utilize text to speech.
The correct answer is option A, use the magnifier. The magnifier feature allows users to zoom into specific areas to make text easier to read.
Question 36. A virtual machine is offline. Which setting should be changed? Option A, virtual security. Option B, virtual storage. Option C, virtual central processing unit. Option D, virtual switch.
The correct answer is option D, virtual switch. A virtual switch connects the virtual machine to the network, allowing it to communicate with the outside world.
Question 37. A projector flickers. Changing laptop resolution does not help. What is the next step? Option A, check video graphics array cable. Option B, check power cable. Option C, change laptop aspect ratio. Option D, change projector settings.
The correct answer is option A, check video graphics array cable. Flickering images are frequently caused by poor cable seating or damaged pins.
Question 38. Server memory is not recognized when full but works in smaller sets. What is the cause? Option A, power supply is insufficient. Option B, memory has too many errors. Option C, server is overheating. Option D, server needs double data rate for memory.
The correct answer is option D, server needs double data rate for memory. Using incompatible memory generations will prevent the system from functioning.
Question 39. An end user reports a printer error stating replace filament. What type of printer is being used? Option A, inkjet. Option B, laser. Option C, three-dimensional. Option D, thermal.
The correct answer is option C, three-dimensional. Three-dimensional printers use a continuous strand of material known as filament to build objects.
Question 40. A technician is ordering a server with a flat per socket licensing fee. Which combination provides the best performance? Option A, dual processor 6 cores each. Option B, single processor 8 cores. Option C, dual processor 8 cores each. Option D, single processor 10 overclocked cores.
The correct answer is option D, single processor 10 overclocked cores. A single processor motherboard reduces the licensing cost while 10 cores provide high performance.
Question 41. The touch screen on a Windows device has stopped working. What should be checked first? Option A, device manager. Option B, performance monitor. Option C, system configuration. Option D, digitizer settings.
The correct answer is option D, digitizer settings. The digitizer is the hardware component responsible for touch sensitivity.
Question 42. A screen was replaced but the touch screen is non-responsive. What are the probable causes? Option A, hardware is non-touch version. Option B, calibration needed. Option C, digitizer cable not seated. Option D, replacement dead on arrival. Option E, LCD firmware update needed. Option F, grounding screws loose.
The correct answers are options A and C and D. Hardware is non-touch version. Digitizer cable not seated. Replacement dead on arrival. Proper cable seating and ensuring the part is the correct touch version are essential.
Question 43. Which resource is most critical for cloud file storage synchronization? Option A, disk speed. Option B, input-output bandwidth. Option C, random access memory utilization. Option D, central processing unit utilization.
The correct answer is option B, input-output bandwidth. Cloud synchronization relies on network throughput or input-output bandwidth to move files.
Question 44. A technician is setting up thin clients. Which tasks are required? Option A, connect to a printer. Option B, install operating system. Option C, install keyboard and mouse. Option D, connect to network. Option E, install updates. Option F, install device drivers.
The correct answers are options C and D. Install keyboard and mouse. Connect to network. G. Thin clients require a monitor and input devices to function and must be connected to the network.
Question 45. A user connects a cable modem to the internet service provider. What network type is this? Option A, wide area network. Option B, local area network. Option C, personal area network. Option D, metropolitan area network.
The correct answer is option A, wide area network. Connections that bridge geographically distant points are classified as wide area networks.
Question 46. A technician needs to download a manual but has no internet. What is the appropriate connection? Option A, hotspot. Option B, near field communication. Option C, Bluetooth. Option D, virtual private network.
The correct answer is option A, hotspot. A mobile hotspot shares the cellular data connection of a phone with other devices via wireless fidelity.
Question 47. Which internet connection terminates at a switching center and requires different media for the last mile? Option A, integrated services digital network. Option B, digital subscriber line. Option C, fiber. Option D, cable.
The correct answer is option B, digital subscriber line. Digital subscriber line signals travel over telephone lines from a central office to the customer.
Question 48. Which connection connects a video card to the motherboard? Option A, peripheral component interconnect express. Option B, industry standard architecture. Option C, accelerated graphics port. Option D, universal serial bus.
The correct answer is option A, peripheral component interconnect express. Peripheral component interconnect express is the modern standard high-speed interface for internal graphics cards.
Question 49. Which ports are used for secure sessions? Option A, 22. Option B, 23. Option C, 25. Option D, 80. Option E, 110. Option F, 443.
The correct answers are options A and F, 22, 443. Port 22 is for Secure Shell and 443 is for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure.
Question 50. Which is designed to function best in harsh lighting conditions? Option A, large tablet. Option B, e-reader. Option C, a smartwatch. Option D, virtual reality headset.
The correct answer is option D, virtual reality headset. Virtual reality headsets provide a contained environment that is completely unaffected by external lighting.
Question 51. Which connector type is used for household telephone cabling? Option A, radio government 6. Option B, registered jack 11. Option C, registered jack 45. Option D, radio government 59.
The correct answer is option B, registered jack 11. Registered jack 11 is the standard connector for residential analog telephone lines.
Question 52. A technician is hosting 3 virtual machines and needs more soon. What resource is most important? Option A, central processing unit. Option B, solid state drive. Option C, network interface card. Option D, random access memory.
The correct answer is option D, random access memory. Each virtual machine requires its own dedicated portion of system memory.
Question 53. A company keeps some data locally and some in the cloud. What model is this? Option A, hybrid. Option B, private. Option C, public. Option D, community.
The correct answer is option A, hybrid. A hybrid cloud model combines on-premises infrastructure with cloud resources.
Question 54. A network administrator is accessing a firewall in the data center. What peripheral must be connected? Option A, keyboard video mouse. Option B, touchpad. Option C, mouse. Option D, keyboard.
The correct answer is option A, keyboard video mouse. A keyboard video mouse switch allows controlling multiple servers from one set of peripherals.
Question 55. What is the main purpose of the plus 5-volt standby output of a power supply? Option A, peripherals draw power when off. Option B, power to audio boards. Option C, main voltage supply. Option D, power expansion cards.
The correct answer is option A, peripherals draw power when off. The standby rail keeps wake-up functions active even when the computer is turned off.
Question 56. A laptop is connected to a projector in extended mode and icons are disproportionate. What should be checked? Option A, video resolution. Option B, high-definition multimedia interface connection. Option C, keystone. Option D, focus.
The correct answer is option A, video resolution. Resolution mismatches often cause stretched or disproportionate images on the screen.
Question 57. Which wireless standard is only capable of 5 GHz frequencies? Option A, 802.11a, Option B, 802.11ac, Option C, 802.11b, Option D, 802.11g.
The correct answer is option A, 802.11a. 802.11a operates exclusively in the 5 GHz band.
Question 58. Which drive type meets the requirement for the highest performance boot drive? Option A, Micro Secure Digital, Option B, 15,000 revolutions per minute, Option C, Non-Volatile Memory Express, Option D, Universal Serial Bus Flash.
The correct answer is option C, Non-Volatile Memory Express. Non-Volatile Memory Express provides the lowest latency for modern high-performance storage.
Question 59. A user changed BIOS configurations and now cannot connect to a pre-boot execution environment server. What should be checked? Option A, C states. Option B, Secure Boot. Option C, Wake on Local Area Network. Option D, Pre-boot Execution Environment Server Address.
The correct answer is option D, Pre-boot Execution Environment Server Address. The network boot server address must be correctly defined in the BIOS.
Question 60. A computer shuts down only when high-end games are opened. What is the most likely cause? Option A, Power supply wattage. Option B, Video random access memory. Option C, Central processing unit frequency. Option D, Monitor resolution.
The correct answer is option A, Power supply wattage. If the power supply wattage is insufficient, the system will crash under heavy gaming loads.
Question 61. Which would minimize unauthorized use of the wireless network? Option A, Implement media access control filtering. Option B, Enable network address translation. Option C, Create a network demilitarized zone. Option D, Upgrade encryption standards.
The correct answer is option A, Implement media access control filtering. Media access control filtering restricts access based on the specific physical address of the device.
Question 62. A projector lamp turns off. What should be performed? Option A, Reset lamp life counter. Option B, Replace cooling fan. Option C, Adjust brightness. Option D, Update video driver. Option E, Install higher lumen lamp. Option F, Change video resolution.
The correct answers are options A and B, Reset lamp life counter, Replace cooling fan. Resetting the counter tracks lamp life and checking the fan prevents overheating.
Question 63. A workstation moved without a surge protector will not power on. What should be done first? Option A, check power cable. Option B, check power supply unit voltage. Option C, test capacitors. Option D, check voltage switch.
The correct answer is option A, check power cable. Always verify the simplest physical connections like the power cable first.
Question 64. After checking performance and disabling antivirus, a computer is still slow. What is the next step? Option A, check for insufficient hard drive space. Option B, update operating system and drivers. Option C, log into another user profile. Option D, shut down and unplug power.
The correct answer is option A, check for insufficient hard drive space. Insufficient disk space prevents the system from using virtual memory, which leads to performance degradation.
Question 65. A network connects computers in the same building via 2 switches. What type is this? Option A, wide area network. Option B, personal area network. Option C, local area network. Option D, metropolitan area network.
The correct answer is option C, local area network. A network contained within a single building is defined as a local area network.
Question 66. A new top-of-the-line smartphone is slow after an OS update. What is the cause? Option A, too many applications are running updates. Option B, device is in airplane mode. Option C, internal memory is failing. Option D, OS update is too resource intensive.
The correct answer is option A, too many applications are running updates. Background application updates are a common cause of performance lag on mobile devices.
Question 67. A user experiences intermittent connectivity after setting up a new wireless access point. What should be checked? Option A, channels. Option B, a frequency. Option C, antenna power level. Option D, service set identifier.
The correct answer is option A, channels. Wireless channel overlap is the most common cause of intermittent connectivity.
Question 68. A laptop connected to a docking station shows no image on an external monitor. What should be done next? Option A, check firmware. Option B, configure extended display mode. Option C, replace monitor. Option D, adjust basic input-output system settings.
The correct answer is option B, configure extended display mode. Extended display mode must be manually enabled in the operating system.
Question 69. A technician is troubleshooting a mobile network speed issue with a cellular provider. What technology is involved? Option A, long-term evolution. Option B, near-field communication. Option C, radio frequency identification. Option D, Z-Wave.
The correct answer is option A, long-term evolution. Long-term evolution is the standard protocol for high-speed cellular data.
Question 70. A device charges on a wireless pad but not with a cable. What should be done first? Option A, clean charging port. Option B, replace battery. Option C, issue new cable. Option D, send for service.
The correct answer is option A, clean charging port. Debris in the charging port is a common physical obstruction preventing a cable connection.
Question 71. A laptop does not stay charged and will not exceed 15%. What components are likely? Option A, liquid crystal display inverter. Option B, alternating current adapter. Option C, battery. Option D, processor. Option E, video graphics array card. Option F, motherboard.
The correct answers are options A and B and C, liquid crystal display inverter, alternating current adapter, battery. A failing battery or inadequate adapter are the primary suspects for charging failures.
Question 72. Which connects a personal computer to its default gateway? Option A, network interface card. Option B, switch. Option C, router. Option D, cable modem.
The correct answer is option B, switch. A switch connects the personal computer to the network path leading to the router.
Question 73. A smartphone no longer connects to a car automatically after an OS update. What should be done? Option A, connect via universal serial bus. Option B, re-enable Bluetooth radio. Option C, rollback operating system. Option D, pair the smartphone.
The correct answer is option B, re-enable Bluetooth radio. If a device loses connectivity, the first step is to toggle the wireless radio settings.
Question 74. A user can view email but receives an error. What should the user check next? Option A, configure as Post Office Protocol 3. Option B, ensure secure sockets layer used. Option C, check account password. Option D, ensure not in airplane mode.
The correct answer is option A, configure as Post Office Protocol 3. Providers often require specifically configured connection protocols like Post Office Protocol 3 versus Internet Message Access Protocol.
Question 75. A user is encountering write errors on an optical drive. What is the cause? Option A, disk finalized. Option B, files encrypted. Option C, file corrupt. Option D, files incompatible.
The correct answer is option A, disk finalized. Finalized optical disks are read-only and cannot have additional data written to them.
Question 76. A user cannot connect to email or print to a network printer but can browse. What is the cause? Option A, has automatic private internet protocol addressing address. Option B, wrong default gateway. Option C, connected to guest wireless. Option D, static internet protocol configured.
The correct answer is option C, connected to guest wireless. Guest wireless networks are often isolated from internal resources like printers and mail servers.
Question 77. Which is the best solution for 1 gigabit bandwidth between buildings 0.5 miles apart? Option A, fiber. Option B, coaxial. Option C, plenum. Option D, category 6.
The correct answer is option A, fiber. Fiber optic cabling is the only standard medium capable of supporting high bandwidth over long distances.
Question 78. A technician verified power lights and Ethernet jack integrity. What tool should be used next? Option A, punch down tool. Option B, tone generator. Option C, cable tester. Option D, crimper.
The correct answer is option C, cable tester. A cable tester verifies the electrical integrity and continuity of the wire pairs.
Question 79. A printer does not print the complete image on larger files. What is the cause? Option A, printer needs more random access memory. Option B, print server timing out. Option C, not printing in PostScript mode. Option D, set to half duplex.
The correct answer is option A, printer needs more random access memory. Complex images require significant memory and a lack of it will cause truncated print jobs.
Question 80. Which requires less current to provide the same power? Option A, 5.5 volts. Option B 12 volts. Option C 120 volts. Option D 220 volts.
The correct answer is option D, 220 volts. Higher voltage delivers the same power with lower current, which reduces heat loss.
Question 81. What is used to connect a headset to a laptop? Option A, external serial advanced technology attachment. Option B, bayonet Nielsen-Selman. Option C, radio government 6. Option D, universal serial bus.
The correct answer is option D, universal serial bus. Universal serial bus headsets provide both audio and power through a single digital connection.
Question 82. A laser printer smears toner. What component is the cause? Option A, fuser. Option B, roller. Option C, memory. Option D, toner.
The correct answer is option A, fuser. The fuser melts toner onto the paper, and if it is failing, the toner will not bond.
Question 83. What should be adjusted to keep a cloud program from using too much bandwidth? Option A, synchronization settings. Option B, wireless settings. Option C, video streaming settings. Option D, quality of service settings.
The correct answer is option D, quality of service settings. Quality of service settings prioritize traffic so that streaming does not consume all available bandwidth.
Question 84. A user received a network path not found error. What should be performed? Option A, reset transmission control protocol stack. Option B, disable local firewall. Option C, flush domain name system cache. Option D, disable Ethernet adapter. Option E, use static internet protocol. Option F, flush domain name system.
The correct answers are options C and F. Flush domain name system cache. Flush domain name system. The error indicates name resolution failure, so flushing the domain name system is a primary fix.
Question 85. Users must manually select the output tray. What should a technician perform first? Option A, check printing privileges. Option B, reinstall driver. Option C, update firmware. Option D, run Windows Update.
The correct answer is option B, reinstall driver. Driver issues often cause miscommunications between workstation settings and printer hardware.
Question 86. A technician wants to set up a virtual machine in the public cloud. Which model is this? Option A, infrastructure as a service. Option B, software as a service. Option C, platform as a service. Option D, database as a service.
The correct answer is option A, infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service provides virtualized computing resources over the internet.
Question 87. A corporation has buffering issues during video conferences. What should be done? Option A, enable quality of service. Option B, upgrade room equipment. Option C, create virtual local area network. Option D, adjust intrusion device.
The correct answer is option A, enable quality of service. Quality of service allows the network to prioritize time-sensitive video traffic over background uploads.
Question 88. Which has a P4 connector to provide a 12-volt output? Option A, Molex connector. Option B, 24-pin adapter. Option C, small computer system interface cable. Option D, external serial advanced technology attachment cable.
The correct answer is option A, Molex connector. The P4 connector is a 4-pin power connector designed to provide 12 volts to the processor.
Question 89. A technician suspects a domain name system issue. What should be performed next? Option A, browse to website known internet protocol address. Option B, manually assign domain name system server. Option C, identify problem by flushing cache. Option D, document findings.
The correct answer is option A, browse to website known internet protocol address. Browsing by internet protocol confirms if the connection is working while proving name resolution failure.
Question 90. A computer has two 8GB and two 4GB sticks. What can be said about the configuration? Option A, utilizing one channel. Option B, utilizing two channels. Option C, utilizing three channels. Option D, utilizing four channels.
The correct answer is option B, utilizing two channels. When memory is installed in pairs, it generally operates in dual channel mode to increase throughput.
Question 91. A technician wants virtual machines to scale based on traffic. What should be configured? Option A, resource pooling. Option B, rapid elasticity. Option C, measured service. Option D, high availability.
The correct answer is option B, rapid elasticity. Rapid elasticity automatically scales resources to match the real-time demand of an application.
Question 92. A multifunction device needs scanning and faxing for employees only. What changes are needed? Option A. Enable user authentication. Option B. Disable remote printing. Option C. Configure print server. Option D. Enable cloud settings. Option E. Disable wireless network. Option F. Connect to wired network.
The correct answers are options A and C. Enable user authentication. Configure print server. User authentication restricts access to sensitive features while connecting to a wired network provides stable management.
Question 93. A technician is upgrading a smartphone and wants to move applications and contacts quickly. What works best? Option A. Near-field communication. Option B. Infrared. Option C. On the go. Option D. Bluetooth.
The correct answer is option A. Near-field communication. Near-field communication is designed for quick short-range data transfer between mobile devices.
Question 94. Which server type caches previously visited web pages? Option A. Proxy server. Option B. Web hosting server. Option C. Domain name system server. Option D. Branch cache server.
The correct answer is option D. Branch cache server. Branch cache server technology caches content to improve access speeds for branch offices.
Question 95. A laptop powers on then shuts off. A new battery works for a day but fails the next. What is the cause? Option A. Swollen battery. Option B. Damaged alternating current adapter. Option C. Improperly seated random access memory. Option D. Cooling fan failure. Option E. Imminent hard drive failure.
The correct answer is option B. Damaged alternating current adapter. If a device runs on battery but fails to charge, it indicates the power adapter is not providing necessary voltage.
Question 96. A user cannot access email at a guest hotspot. What would resolve this? Option A. Move closer. Option B. Restart. Option C. Assign Internet Protocol. Option D. Use Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Option E. Change Service Set Identifier.
The correct answer is option D. Use Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Guest networks expect devices to use Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol to obtain valid local settings.
Question 97. A user selects a work profile but cannot access resources. What is the likely cause? Option A. Network card malfunctioning. Option B. User is connected to wrong wireless network. Option C. Firewall blocking. Option D. User put in wrong credentials.
The correct answer is option B. User is connected to wrong wireless network. If a device connects but cannot access internal resources, it is often bridged to an external network segment.
Question 98. Users cannot print after a printer was moved and restarted. What method ensures this does not happen again? Option A. Immediate access control filtering. Option B. Print using new address. Option C. Create Internet Protocol reservation. Option D. Statically assign Internet Protocol.
The correct answer is option C. Create Internet Protocol reservation. An Internet Protocol reservation ensures the server always assigns the same address to the printer.